Trey. I am going to show my lookout stuff. This is a lantern. It is used for lights. This is hiking sticks. It is used for grip while you're walking.
Okay, it's nice.
This is a canteen. This is used for boiling water.
Show them what it does.
And
Okay.
it's for boiling water and drinking.
What's that small container for?
It's for boiling water.
Oh, that's where you put the water.
This is a Swiss Army knife. It's from USA and it has lots of stuff.
Okay, show
It
everything.
has a tweezer. It has a toothpick. It has a wine opener. It has a bread knife. It has a saw.
Oh, that's cool.
It has a can opener.
Be careful though.
And then another can opener.
Okay. Who gave you that?
Dad.
Okay.
It has this tiny blade. And then my little bag.
Okay, what's inside your bag?
This is a flashlight. It is used for light in your head.
Oh, so you put it in your head. What's that orange thing?
It's a whistle, but it's different than a whistle. It has this cap with a perfectly sealed match.
Oh, nice. So it doesn't get wet.
Yeah, and then I have this. There's a bigger size of this. This is only used for opening small doors.
Oh, okay, nice.
This is a hair comb. It is used for brushing the hair. This is chapstick. It is used for your lips to keep them hydrated.
That's cool.
And then this is paper clips. This is for your blocked runny nose.
Oh, like it's a Vicks.
Yeah.
Yeah. When it gets cold outside.
This is my glass case.
What's inside? You have sunglasses?
Yeah. No, it's not sunglasses. It's my glasses to see better.
Oh,
This
okay.
is binoculars.
Oh, okay, that's good.
This is my med kit.
What's inside your med kit? Just quickly show.
It has a bandage. It has these. It has tape. It has a little pouch. It has band-aids. It has afterbite. It has band-aids.
Oh, you have lots of bandages.
And then
Okay, don't forget the, yeah.
can you cut that?
Okay, what else do you have in there?
What else do I have?
Yeah, you can bring out everything.
I have a bell for bed.
Oh, like
I
for the
have
bears.
an
Okay,
extra flashlight.
that's
I
nice.
have a Sharpie pen. I have a fire starter.
Oh, that's very useful. Yeah.
And this is all the rubber bands.
Okay.
This is more fire starters. It has 12 cubes. It has 12.
So you
small-
just put it in the bonfire or something?
No, you can't put it in dry wood.
Okay.
This is a rope my dad bought me. It is used for a tent
Oh,
or
okay. Yeah, yeah.
building.
Yeah, building a tent.
This is my shoes. It has shoes That is camouflage.
Extra shoe if your other shoe gets wet. Yeah.
This is paper.
Okay.
This has my candles and rope.
Extra rope.
This is my vitamin D medicines. Vitamin C medicine.
Oh, that's yeah. You need vitamins when you're outdoors.
This is my zip ties.
Mm-hmm.
I have extra batteries.
Okay.
I have socks. I have these small tiny scissors. Then what's in here?
That's a lot of stuff inside your bag.
No. This.
Oh yeah, very important.
Utensils. Yogurt raisins.
Snacks.
Raisins. 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 And the lighter.
Oh, okay. And that's everything?
And then here is my pouches. This has this like something a tie and
An extra Sharpie. Okay, marker. What else?
yogurt raisins. and then we have a pouch for neck. It has a Sharpie,
Put it up so they can see.
It has a Sharpie, a highlighter, and a pen, and then 2 extra knives.
Oh, wow, okay.
And then it has a matchbox covered in tape and a pen.
And that's everything?
Almost. I'm not done yet. It has a big rubber band,
I'll just pan over here so we can see everything.
a notebook, and the notes for writing.
Oh, in case you need to write directions or something. Okay, so those are all the prepping stuff.
And then I have a extra case for my glasses.
Mm-hmm.
And I have more stuff coming soon. Bye.
Bye.